Active Recall Explained, the study method that makes your brain work for you. Let's be honest, your brain is a lazy roommate. You spend 4 hours highlighted in neon yellow rereading the same chapter on the Roman Empire, and your brain is just back there playing 8-bit Mario music, ignoring you. You think you're studying, but you're actually just taking your eyes for a walk across some paper. Then the exam hits, and suddenly your mind is as empty as a theatre during a flop. We've been lied to. Rereading, highlighting, and reviewing are the junk food of learning. They feel good in the moment, but they have zero nutritional value for your GPA. If you want to stop leaking information like a cracked bucket, you need the heavyweight champion of neuroscience, Active Recall. Active. Phase 1. The Don't Look Rule. Active Recall is simple, but it feels like a workout. Most people study by putting information into their heads. Active Recall is about the struggle of pulling it out. Think of your memory like a giant, messy warehouse. Rereading is just adding more boxes to the pile. Active Recall is building a high-speed GPS system to find those boxes. The step-by-step. 1. Close the book. No, seriously. Put it in another room. 2. Grab a blank sheet of paper. 3. Write down everything, and I mean everything, you remember about the topic. It's going to hurt. Your brain will scream. You'll feel like Jon Snow in a blizzard. You know nothing. That pain? That's the sound of your neurons actually working. Phase 2. The flashcard glow-up. Stop writing the definition of photosynthesis on one side and a paragraph on the other. That's a recipe for boredom. Instead, turn your notes into a series of spicy questions. Treat yourself like you're on a high-stakes game show. Instead of mitochondria, ask, if the cell was a Tesla factory, which part is the battery pack? When you force your brain to bridge the gap between a question and an answer, you're not just memorizing. You're hardwiring that data into your long-term storage. Phase 3. The grandma test. If you really want to level up, try the Feynman technique twist. Explain the concept out loud to your dog, your plant, or an imaginary 5-year-old. If you can't explain why inflation happens without using words like macroeconomic fluctuations, you don't actually know it yet. Simplify until it's crystal clear. You aren't a bad student. You've just been using the wrong manual for your mind. Active Recall turns your brain from a passive spectator into an elite athlete. It's the difference between watching a workout video and actually hitting the gym. So, put down the highlighter, close the tab, ask yourself one hard question right now. You've got the machinery, now it's time to make it run. Alright friends, don't just study harder, study smarter. Hit that subscribe button to keep your studying machine primed, prepped and unstoppable. Let's go get those A's.